fairs of such scale. The world is looking towards India more than ever as its preferred destination. A lot of international companies want to enter India and tap the growing Indian middle class. Exhibitions are proxy to the growth of underlying sectors like infrastructure, education, realty, construction, lifestyle, and capital goods, to name a few. The exhibition industry has tremendous potential to grow in India. All these years, trade fairs have been fragmented and limited to particular geographies. This industry lies largely untapped, and herein lies an opportunity to explore this lucrative industry and help it achieve its fullest potential. In 2008, the Indian exhibition market had an estimated value of $180 million or 780 crore rupees, and it's expected to grow at 20% CAGR to $990 million or 5,000 crore rupees by 2020. Greater domestic as well as foreign participation in terms of investment will help transform the exhibition scenario in India. Asian Business Exhibition and Conferences Limited is a major player in the Indian exhibition industry. Currently, it is the largest private sector organizer in India with approximately 6% market share. ABECL is going to play the role of a catalyst in helping this industry achieve its fullest potential. The company has a singular motto, from concept to completion, and believes in delivering end-to-end solutions. Managed by a team of committed promoters having 1.5 decades of experience and a strong team of 200 professionals, it is headquartered in the financial capital, Mumbai, with offices in Delhi and Bangalore. ABECL has been conducting exhibitions in 27 cities across India. The company started in 1993 with India Oil and Gas Review Symposium. In 2002, the promoters ventured into B2C events like Education Boutique and lifestyle events like Glamour and Glitter. ABECL was formed in 2007 by bringing the entire business under one umbrella. Today, the company specializes in diverse range of exhibitions under B2B and B2C platforms across 11 sectors. It owns and manages more than 60 events and industry-specific trade shows annually. ABECL owns and organizes several successful trade fairs across various industries. IORS is the premier show on oil, gas and petrochemical sector. Backed by Navratna PSUs, the show has entered its 17th year.